Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So now we have an idea of what is constructor reference, like at some basic idea. So let's write some code forward and let's see how it works. So let's clear this out, close this file, going to create a new package. Or before writing even code, let me just clear you what I'm going to write. So idea is I'll create a class, some sample class, let's say sample class, and this will have a method. Um, or let's have constructor for now. Let's just leave it. And I have a constructor which says sys out. Let's call this sample constructor. Okay, done. So this is the idea. So and we have a class, and now I will create one interface. Let's say interface sample label. Just a weird name, but okay. And then we have a method here. Public. Now instead of saying void, this method will say return something. So let's say samp. Per type method name will be samp semicolon. So it's going to be capital S sample. And so you can see we have a method samp and it returns sample type and we have an interface ready. Now I have to write its either you can go for lambda expression, but we don't have method here. Why we use lambda expression? When we have to call some method, so we don't have any method here. In terms of sample I'm talking about, of course we have method here, definitely we have a method here and we can call it, and then we try to write some method reference, and then we will go for the constructor references. So if I have to write its lambda expressions, it goes like default. So this goes, then a blank, and it is returning object type. So as of now, I don't know how to do constructor reference, but definitely I know core Java, so I can say new sample and return. Since it's a one line, so no need to write return keyword. So this will work. Okay. Now if I have to write its method reference, so there must be a method. Must be a method there. So let's I don't want to break this thing, but in future if I have to write some code, I need to first of all I need to have that method which returns the same, which has the same signature like this one and returns the object. Okay. So let's write this code quickly in our system, then we'll go for the approach. So new package com.pack dot constructor reference. Okay, ready. Then right click, new class, and here we'll say constructor ref tester. Okay, tester ready. Now let's create sample class right here. So I'm going to create a class sample. Then I just have a default constructor, right? Sample default constructor, and here I'll say sysout default constructor. Okay, done. And then we have to create that function interface as well. So interface, I'm calling it sample label, right? A weird name, but that's fine. Just focus on the concept at function interface, and let's create that method. The new thing about this method is it is returning object type. So if a method returns object type, that we have discussed in the first video as well, in constructor reference video, so it should be object type. So let's call this samp, just name, and done with this thing as well. Time to create lambda expression. So main method, now type is going to be sample label equals default, we don't have any argument, then arrow sign, and it returns object type. So new sorry, not new, sorry, not return, just write new sample and semicolon, and yeah, we're good to go. No red line. And then what? Just leave it. I'm not even going to print anything, because if everything was fine, we should get default constructor. So let's quickly test this out. And it's calling new sample, calling this sample object, and then of course we have to call the method. Sorry, sampleable dot samp, right? Otherwise, how it will return objects. Okay, now right click, run as application, and here we go. You guys can see I am not calling any method, I am calling a constructor. This is through lambda expression. In next video we will reduce this code by using constructor reference. And same thing we have done in method reference as well. We saw first of all lambda expression, then we reduced that code with method reference. Likewise, we have wrote one lambda expression for constructor. Now we will write constructor reference in next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.